The AHRLAC on the other hand can bring over 800 kilograms in PGBs as well as other munitions, such as laser-guided air-to-ground A2G missiles and 70mm rockets, at a fraction of the cost. One could potentially acquire AHRLAC units at less than $10 million apiece, and one can operate them to the tune of hundreds of dollars per hour. Not only that, but the AHRLAC, thanks to its short takeoff and landing STOL capability, was designed to operate from areas with unprepared airfields and limited infrastructure incapable of handling fighter aircraft. Granted, a fighter such as the F-16 can bring several times the payload of the AHRLAC, but one will not be able to fly an F-16 as frequently over the coin theater as an AHRLAC, not without burning through a lot more money and tiring an expensive airframe anyways. As for munitions, the AHRLAC was designed to carry modern precision-guided munitions. Granted, it cannot carry not heavy long-range standoff weapons, but for the mission profile the AHRLAC is geared towards, its munitions inventory is solid. For example, the end user can load the AHRLAC with multiple Mk-81 and Mk-82 bombs, which weigh at approximately 125 kilograms and 250 kilograms, respectively. These bombs can be adapted into satellite and/or laser-guided munitions, that is precision strike. The aircraft can also be equipped with laser-guided air-to-ground A2G missiles such as the 50 kg Mo-Copper anti-tank missile, South Africa's equivalent to the American AJM-114 Hellfire II. It should be apparent that the aforementioned are genuinely lethal munitions, but to top off the AHRLAC's usefulness, the aircraft is also capable of carrying mission-specific pods in a specially designed conformal bay. In other words, it need not solely depend on external assets such as ground forces or a separate targeting aircraft to identify targets for engagement, though it can certainly operate in such a networked environment provided the user has the means. From what the AHRLAC commercial brochure states, it seems that the aircraft is capable of being equipped with a whole host of equipment in the form of forward-looking infrared flyer pods, synthetic aperture radars, etc., enabling it to perform intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance operations as well. Granted, one would not use systems such as the AHRLAC against opposing military forces, but against opponents with inadequate or non-existent anti-air warfare or capabilities. The AHRLAC is not to be taken lightly. When combined with the availability of armed drones, aerial gunships and/or dedicated attack helicopters, the AHRLAC can be another piece behind a state's capacity to induce aerial suppression over an area with relatively limited impact to its wallet.